Hi, ma'am, sir. Hello. Have a good day. I'm a Mary Grace Makalalad, 34 years old, and have two kids, 14 years old and 9 years old. And I have a work experience in 4 years in Dubai, UAE, in 7 members of family and 5 kids. I know how to take care of the baby and the kids from UAE. My house everyday routine is cleaning, laundry, ironing, and take care for kids and prepare for the breakfast for the morning before go school in the kids. And I have experience here in Hong Kong in 4 members in one couple and 1 kid and 1 popo. My everyday routine here in my Hong Kong experience is when wake up the baby, I will take care and then I will change the dress, diaper, and then after I clean, change the baby, I give milk, and then after I give a milk, and then I will prepare to go down and she will play in the playground. And after she playground, she will come back home and then I will change the dress and I will clean again the hands and then drink for a while, and then after for drink I will give a congee for lunch, and then after I give a congee I will give her a sleep for a while, and after give a sleep for the baby, I will do my duties for home to clean, laundry, ironing, and then if wake up the baby, I will take care again, and then I will play with her for a while, and then before eating dinner, I will give take a bath for the baby. And after I give a take a bath for baby and Popo and baby playing, and then me is cooking for the dinner, and then after that I will clean the all dishes from the kitchen. That's all, and thank you, mom, sir. If you willing to hire me, I will working hard and honestly and more patient, and I will do my best to my work, so make a long time service if you want to hire with me. Thank you. Bye, mom, sir.